Chapter 8. Water is precious. We need water all the time. This explains why most ancient cities and villages were built close to riverbanks. Major cities such as Delhi, Kolkata, and Varanasi are developed on the banks of major rivers like the Yamuna and the Ganga. Water was easily available for irrigation, drinking, and transportation. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Even though water is abundant, only 3% is fresh water, which can be used by us. Most fresh water is frozen in the snow and glaciers. Thus, very little fresh water is actually available for use. That's why water is considered to be precious. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, and washing clothes, utensils, etc. Farmers use water to grow crops. Sources of water. In different places, water is stored on the Earth's surface. Rivers, lakes, ponds, and oceans are the various water bodies. We use pumps and wells to get the underground water. Rainfall is the main source of water on the earth. Varanasi is located on the banks of the river Ganga. How water comes to our house. In most houses, especially in cities, water comes through pipes. The water is obtained from a nearby water body and sent to a water treatment plant. Once treated and purified, the water is distributed throughout the towns or cities through pipes. There are taps in our houses from where we can get the water supplied through the pipes. River, water purification plant, reservoir, tap water. In some houses, water supply is available only at certain times in a day. Hence, it is necessary to store water in overhead tanks so that it can be freely used at all the time. Some years ago, many houses in different parts of India did not have water supply through pipes. Every house used to have a well or a tube well for water. Mostly, people used to go to nearby ponds or rivers for washing clothes, utensils, and also for other chores. Tube wells and wells are still used as sources of water in villages and in some areas in towns where water supply is not available. For example, in slums it is common to see people standing in front of the wells. Like tube wells, hand pumps also draw out underground water for drinking. It has pebbles at the bottom. The pebbles help in filtering the water. Tube well, well, hand pump. Storing water. In some old forts of northern India, baulis or step well can be seen. These are ancient water reservoirs where a huge amount of water could be stored. They were built by ancient rulers to provide and store water as a backup during droughts and could reach the baulis through the steps built around them. A bauli consists of two parts: a vertical shaft from which water is drawn and the surrounding passageways, chambers, and steps which provide access to the well. The chambers may be 7 or 8 levels below the ground level. They are also cool areas that can provide much relief from summer heat. A bauli in Delhi. These days, most ancient baulis are lying neglected and unused. They can be repaired and used in areas where water supply is limited by harvesting groundwater. Do you know? Baulis in Gujarat and Rajasthan have many levels and are decorated with carvings of animal and human forms, flowers and plants and scenes from various Hindu and Jain religious texts. Thanks. In cities and towns, nowadays pumps are used to pull up water and store it in large tanks. From there, water travels to each home through pipes. Houses have water tanks for storing water. Pipes from the tanks supply water to the tap in the houses. Tank. Canals. In some areas, small channels are dug to take water from the river to the fields. These are called canals. The main canal irrigated areas are the northern plains, central parts of India, and the coastal plains. Serving water. In villages and cities, some charitable organizations or people serve clean drinking water along the roadside for thirsty people, which is free of cost. Water for irrigation. Water is needed for irrigation. Traditionally, farmers in India have irrigated their fields by taking water from wells. Some farmers manually take water from wells in buckets or goatskin bag and then pour out this water into channels dug for distribution of water. This is called dhekli. Most farmers depend on direct rainfall for irrigation. Dhekli. Water wheels are used to lift water from a pond or a stream. As the water wheels turn, they scoop up water from a stream in buckets. As the water reaches the top of the wheel, it runs out at the higher level into the irrigation chamber. These water wheels are turned by oxen in fields. Oxen-drawn water wheel. Different crops require different amount of water. Rice, sugarcane, and jute plants require plenty of water. On the other hand, wheat and millets do not require much water. Tea plants need a constant supply of water to keep them moist. Hence, tea is planted on slopes so that the water flows out continuously and does not stand around the roots. Water in the air. Water is also present in the air around us in the form of water vapor. Clouds, fogs, rain and snow are made from water vapor. The amount of water vapor found in the air varies from place to place. During the rainy season, when there is a lot of water vapor in the air, we say it is very humid. This weather makes us feel hot and sweaty. When the amount of water vapor in the air is more, rainfall is likely to occur. In areas where the climate is wet, there is more water vapor in the air. In dry areas, the amount of water vapor in the air is less. Thus, the amount of water vapor in the air affects the weather and climate of a place. The climate of a place, on the other hand, is the weather condition during different seasons throughout the year. For example, the climate of a hilly region is cold and the climate in a desert is hot and dry. Water, a universal solvent. The liquid in which the substance dissolves is said to be solvent. Substances which dissolve in water are called soluble in water. Many substances such as sugar, salt, ink, etc. dissolve in water. Thus, water is often referred to as a universal solvent. Substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble in water. For example, oil does not mix in water. Sugar and salt are soluble in water. Value voice. Save water as water has no alternative. Close taps tightly when not in use. Key words. Tube well. A machine by which underground water is drawn up through long pipes and a pump set. Hand pump. A hand-operated instrument which draws underground water. Irrigation. Giving water to crops in fields. Soluble. Substances which can be dissolved, especially in water. Let's remember. Bowlies are step wells. They were used to store rainwater. Wells, tube wells, tanks, and canals are the different sources of water and irrigation. Rain is the main source of water. Ponds and lakes are small bodies of water. We get filtered and purified drinking water from taps in our houses.